Getting ready for Easter but want something more meaningful than store-bought decor? Looking for Easter crafts that are fun, creative, and perfect for all ages? Wondering how to decorate your home, table, or gifts without spending too much? Need simple DIY ideas that still feel festive, aesthetic, and memorable? Curious how Easter crafts can turn into beautiful family moments and traditions? Then stay tuned, because today we're diving into Easter craft ideas that are creative, budget-friendly, and guaranteed to bring joy, colour, and warmth to your celebration. What makes Easter crafts special compared to regular DIY projects? Easter crafts are all about renewal, joy, and fresh beginnings. They often use bright colours, natural elements, and playful symbols like eggs, bunnies, flowers, and chicks. What makes them special is how they combine creativity with celebration, turning simple materials into meaningful seasonal decor. What are the must-have themes for Easter crafting? Popular Easter craft themes include pastel colours, spring florals, rustic farmhouse styles, and cute playful designs. Eggs, nests, carrots, and bunny motifs dominate most projects. Mixing soft textures with natural materials like wood, twine, and paper helps create a warm Easter vibe. If you're enjoying these Easter craft ideas, hit the like button and share this video with someone who loves DIY projects as much as you do. What are some easy Easter crafts anyone can make at home? Simple Easter crafts include painted eggs, paper bunny garlands, and DIY wreaths. These projects usually need basic supplies like paper, glue, paint, and scissors. Even beginners can create beautiful results with minimal effort and maximum creativity. How can Easter crafts be both budget-friendly and stylish? You can use recycled jars, cardboard, old fabrics, and leftover craft supplies. Neutral bases with pastel accents make even low-cost items look elegant. Handmade touches always feel more personal than expensive store decor. Which Easter craft idea are you most excited to try this year? Drop your favourite in the comments. We'd love to know. How can kids be involved in Easter crafting? Easter crafts are perfect for kids because they're colourful, playful, and hands-on. Activities like egg painting, bunny masks, and paper baskets help develop creativity while keeping children engaged. It also becomes a bonding activity the whole family can enjoy. What Easter crafts work best for family bonding? Group projects like decorating Easter eggs together or building a shared centerpiece create lasting memories. Assigning small tasks to everyone makes it inclusive and fun. These moments often become traditions families repeat every year. For more family-friendly and creative ideas, check out our full Easter craft playlist linked in the description. How can Easter crafts be used for home decor? Crafted wreaths, table centerpieces, and wall hangings instantly bring Easter spirit indoors. Handmade decor adds warmth and personality to your space. Using soft spring colours keeps everything light, fresh, and welcoming. What are some creative Easter tablecraft ideas? DIY napkin rings, egg placeholders, and handmade name tags elevate your Easter table. Small crafted details can make even simple meals feel special. These crafts also double as keepsakes guests can take home. If you love creative seasonal decor, make sure to subscribe for more easy and inspiring craft ideas all year round. How can Easter crafts be turned into meaningful gifts? Handmade Easter baskets, painted eggs, and customized gift tags feel more thoughtful than store-bought items. Personal touches show care and effort. Even small DIY gifts can leave a big emotional impact. What are some Easter crafts perfect for last-minute preparation? Quick projects like paper garlands, jar lanterns, and printable crafts save time. These ideas can be completed in under an hour, but still look festive. Perfect for busy schedules or surprise guests. If you want more quick and creative ideas like these, check out similar Easter videos linked in the description. How can Easter crafts reflect spring and nature? Using flowers, leaves, twigs, and pastel shades connects Easter decor with nature. Natural textures add freshness and balance. These crafts celebrate the beauty of the season while keeping things simple. How do you keep Easter crafts organized and mess-free? Preparing a small craft station with trays, mats, and labeled supplies helps a lot. Choosing washable paints and simple tools reduces cleanup time. Organization keeps crafting fun and stress-free. Love the tools and supplies used in these crafts? You'll find similar products linked in the description below. What are trendy Easter craft ideas this year? Minimalist Easter decor, neutral tones with pastel highlights, and handmade textures are trending. Simple designs with a modern twist feel fresh and elegant. These crafts blend tradition with current style. How can Easter crafts become yearly traditions? Repeating certain crafts every year builds emotional value. Kids especially look forward to familiar activities. Over time, these small traditions become cherished family memories. Why are Easter crafts more than just decoration? Easter crafts create connection, creativity, and celebration. They slow things down and bring people together. Beyond decor, they're about shared joy, expression, and meaningful moments. Easter crafts aren't just about filling your home with color. They're about creating experiences, memories, and traditions. From simple DIYs to family-friendly projects, crafting brings warmth and meaning to the celebration. Start with one small idea, enjoy the process, and let Easter creativity fill your home with joy. If this video inspired you, like it and share it with someone who loves Easter crafts. Tell us your favorite Easter craft idea or tradition in the comments below. Explore our full Easter crafts playlist in the description for more inspiration. Subscribe for more creative DIY, seasonal decor, and craft ideas every week. Watch more Easter and holiday videos linked in the description. Find the craft tools and decor featured in this video through the links below.